everyone, welcome back to another Vlogmas video, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is going to be filled with just Christmas vibes, and I'm super excited about it because it is my day off. We have reading days until finals start on Thursday, so I wanted to just take a break, have a day of just full relaxation and full just Christmas stuff. I have the tree lights going right now. I made myself my nice cup of coffee in my little fa la 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 mug, and I just put on the TV because I'm going to be watching a Christmas movie this morning. So I'm trying to find The Grinch, and as soon as I turned on the TV, the news was on and it was talking about snow tomorrow. It's not going to be that bad, but like anything else, just makes everything super slow and messy. So let's see if we can find The Grinch, because that's what I kind of want to watch this morning. Just super excited, and I can't wait for Christmas to come. It's already going to be here in 2 weeks, and the days are flying by. This always happens because finals and everyone's preparing for things that just gets here and you don't get to sit down and enjoy it. So that's exactly why I dedicated this day to a whole bunch of Christmas stuff, which you guys will see later on. Yay, they have it on Netflix, so it's super easy. And I'm gonna have this with my coffee. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite song right here. It's almost ending, and then it is time to prep for my cookies. Now it's time to prep for the Christmas cookies that I'm going to be making, and I'm going to show you guys where I found the recipe. Let me get my phone. So I'm following this recipe. I just googled Christmas Christmas sugar cookies, the cutout ones. So I'm following this recipe right here, which tells you how to make the dough and then also the frosting, where you can outline the shapes of it. So this is what I'm making today. Right now I'm just prepping the dough though, because it has to chill, and then I'll start the baking process later on. I took out the butter and 2 eggs, and I have a whole basket full of all the cookie cutouts, which I'll show you guys more later. And I don't remember where they're from, but you can get these pretty much anywhere. I need this probably for when I roll out the dough and put them in the discs to put them in the fridge, and some of this clear cling wrap so that they can go in the wrapping to go in the fridge. To do these dishes, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that I finished cleaning up everything, the cookie dough has been in the 2 little plastic wraps because I did 2 discs of it. Basically I cut the dough in half so that they can both chill. They've been chilling probably for I want to say almost 2 hours, and I'm going to start baking them soon. I'm actually making a little mini frosting for them too. We don't go crazy with the frosting, but to add a little bit of something. And then I also have some sprinkles, which I'm thinking of adding into the dough when it's cooking, and also on top for some of them, kind of switch it up. So yeah, I'm super excited to cook them, to bake them and cut them out with the shapes that we have. There's so many. There's the snowman, the mitten, a sleigh, a bell. There's literally so many different cutout shapes. It's really fun. So right now my mom is home and we're gonna actually put up the stockings and everything which we were supposed to do in yesterday's video. So that's the next Christmas activity for the day. A little bit of decorating. More decorating, as you can tell. I love decorating. But we're almost done with decorating and then it'll just fully be up and everything ready for Christmas. Alright, so the village is all up. We didn't get to put up the freaking stockings like the second time. It's because we need the command hook, so we need to get that tomorrow maybe. But we got the village up and we took out the stockings and this like reindeer glow in the dark thing. It's kind of annoying that we didn't get to put it up, but that will definitely come the day we decorate in the vlog. Whenever we decorate, that'll be also going up in that vlog because I just want to be done already. And we didn't realize that we didn't have the strips, and we also put the lights around the door, so we didn't need to buy it. It actually worked. I don't know, the other day it wasn't working. But after dinner I'm going to start making the frosting for the cookies, and I'm going to put like probably in like 2 different bowls so I can do 2 colors of the food coloring. And then I'm going to also take out the dough from the fridge from chilling and then let it sit for a bit, add some flour, start rolling it out, and doing all the cookie cutting and baking. Alright, the last step is now some nice hot cocoa, and these come with marshmallows, so it's so perfect, and it's so good, this one. Alright, that concludes this Vlogmas video. Super fun and festive video. Just a lot of Christmas things going on. I decorated, watched my Christmas movie, made hot cocoa, and of course made some Christmas cookies. So what better way to get ready for the holidays than to bake cookies and just have a nice, full, relaxing, cozy Christmas vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. And with that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow.